Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix bad image error on Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click Windows. Change AppInit_DLLS value. Delete all value date if any exists. Close and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.